Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this detailed guide on replacing the battery and maintaining your HP 15EC laptop. In this tutorial, we will walk you through each step, ensuring you have all the necessary tools and knowledge to complete the task safely and effectively. First, let's gather the tools you will need. A Phillips screwdriver, size PH0 is ideal. A plastic spudger or prying tool. An anti-static wrist strap, optional but recommended. A clean, flat workspace to avoid losing any screws. Now let's begin by powering down your laptop completely. Ensure it is unplugged from any power source. If you have a removable battery, you can simply take it out, but for the HP 15EC, we will need to access the internal battery. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. There are typically 10 screws to remove. Carefully use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew them, placing them in a small container to avoid losing them. Remember, these screws are small and can easily roll away. Once all screws are removed, use your plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to damage the clips holding the panel in place. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. With the back panel off, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is usually a rectangular shape with a connector attached. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Now, disconnect the battery by gently pulling the connector away from the motherboard. Be careful not to pull on the wires themselves. Once disconnected, you can remove the battery by unscrewing any screws that may be holding it in place. Set the old battery aside. Take your new battery and align it in the same position as the old one. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Once it's firmly in place, reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks into place. Before reassembling the back panel, it's wise to test the new battery. Power on your laptop and check if it recognizes the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, you can proceed to replace the back panel. Align the back panel with the laptop and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the casing. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you prefer, we can handle the entire process for you, including collection and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service. Finally, once the back panel is secured, power on your laptop one last time to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced the battery and performed maintenance on your HP 15EC laptop. Regular maintenance can significantly extend the life of your device, so consider cleaning the internals every few months. If you ever need assistance or a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you keep your laptop in top condition. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.